I would say most decks we can get done within a 2-week time frame. We mainly build composite decks. So usually what we'll do is tear down the existing deck. We're gonna review where the ledger board was installed. That's the board that actually installed to the house. Oftentimes we'll find some type of wood rot in that area. We'll fix that wood rot. We got to put in new piers, put the frame in, put the decking on, put the railing on, and usually we can get a decent sized deck done in about 2 weeks. The size would affect the timeline, as just more material you're installing, larger space you're covering up, so that would dictate it, but not really material. I mean, decking goes on about the same, whether you're doing like cedar, treated, or composite. I haven't really found any way to speed up the process without cutting corners. We do like to have everything just planning ahead on our part, making sure we got the right materials are on job site when we need them. We're not, waiting for materials or material delays after we've started. So the takeoff needs to be pretty good. And we spend a lot of front up time making sure that those are good and the materials that we have planned for that project are on the site and ready to use, that type of thing. I would always say at least, for a deck project, if you're planning on it, I would make sure that you're planning about 90 days, before 90 days before you actually want the project started, at least. That gives us enough time to, when you call in the office, have our design team out, come up with the design, make any design iterations that we need to, get the design looking exactly where they want you to do a takeoff, present budgetary numbers. You're like, yeah, okay, that's what I want. Then we got to go to permitting. Then we got to get once we're through permitting, then you get added to our ready to build schedule, which is projects, because almost every project that we do needs a permit. Some municipalities take longer than others to get permitting. City of Kansas City, one of them. It takes a really long time to get any permit from Kansas City, but once you're permitted, then you go to our ready to build schedule, which is the ones that are going out next.